Hello everyone, my name is Izan and I'm a pre-IB student from Toronto, Canada that will become a computer scientist in the near future. In this video of the Python series, I'll be teaching you guys how to use dictionaries. Dictionaries in Python is a very complicated topic that I'll be covering very lightly. Now, dictionaries are used for everyday tasks like, for example, you go to the doctors, they need to pull out your file, your health card ID, name, user, phone number, things like that. Now, the point of this video is to learn and how to implement the dictionaries process. So let's get started and learn how we can use dictionaries very less complicatedly. Alright, for this example, I'll be using the example of going to the doctor's office. When you go to the doctor's office, how do they know it's you? What do they do? Can you just go there? Just go inside? How will they know it's you? Well, they first look up for your file. So what we're going to do is create the file. And then inside of the file, they have all the information they need, right? So now inside the file, that's the keys. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna create keys for us. So name, that's one of the most important keys. Name, it could be Josh. That's our name. Phone number, that could be our phone number. Make sure that after you're creating your values, make sure that you put the semicolon here because otherwise it won't detect what you're saying. And then last we could put in age. The age could be 60. So the main issue now, how would you bring this information out? You can't just write print age, right? That's just gonna give you an error. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna do print, and then you go back to the file. When you go back to the file, you do print file, right? And then you go back. Now you type in the key information that you want. I want the age, right? Print file age. Now I'll run this process. As you can see, I got this error. This error means that I forgot to put these in print. Now I got 60. Make sure you do not create any silly errors like this because then if you write, for example, a 500 line code, there's just a stupid error like this, missing these or forgetting brackets. You're just gonna have to debug the whole thing looking for that error, correct? Make sure you're always thorough with your steps. Now you can see I printed 60. Now you can just change this inside. You could do name. You'll print anything you want, right? What if you type in the wrong thing? What if you're typing in something that there's no value for? So what you do is you go back to the file, delete this, then you do file dot get, and then you want, for example, the ID. There we go. On this, it's gonna say none. You know why? Because there's no ID here for us. This will indicate that there's no information here for us. Now, you know the gist of creating dictionaries, and hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you, like and subscribe.